Alright guys, we got another Macan here, 2017, 60,000 miles, and this is a normal occurrence here at the shop. These are, we're going to call these the shop queens from now on. Here we go, look at that. Timing cover leaks, a common issue that some of you customers have never experienced. This is our 5th Macan in several months with these leaks. So I wanted to make an update video on more Macans that are coming in. This one actually still has the Porsche engine design. The better engines, 2018, they went to the Audi design engines that are not as good. They have other issues. I would rather have the oil leaks than other problems, but there we go again. We got a Macan S. We had some Macan turbos that had leaks as well. The Macan S actually has twin turbos as well. It's just a 3.0 versus a 3.6. But here we go, guys. Once again, I'm showing you guys the problems. And a lot of you people say, well, we own this car and we don't have oil leaks. Let me show you what happens. You see all that oil residue? That's soaked into this felt type engine cover. This is why you don't have any oil leaks. Look at that. They're perfectly designed. These covers, like, they just absorb oil. So of course you're not going to get oil drippage on your driveway. Of course you're not going to see oil leaks, you know. But you will see them just kind of flying and sticking onto all your metal components like these. And then eventually just kind of venting towards the back. See all that? So, yep, they do have oil leaks. Here's another one. So that's not the only issue. Mechanical fuel pumps failing. They're attached to the cams. They're causing oil dilution, oil consumption problems. I can just name them. I still think this is a pretty car, even though it's very Audi Q7, or I'm sorry, very Audi Q5. This is pretty much an Audi Q5, the suspension and everything. And yeah, don't even say the Cayenne is a Audi Q7 because it's not even close. The suspension's different, everything's different. Engine, the only thing that's similar is the platform. That's it. This is going to be 60-70% Audi right here, which is nothing wrong with that. It's just that's where you're paying so much less money for a Macan versus a Cayenne. It's just not built as well. It's a Boxster compared to a 911. Nice car, of course it is. Great car. Ladies love these cars the most. That's most of our customers are females that own them. Not saying that it's a woman's car, but ladies do love them a lot because they're small. They're very comfortable for them to get in and out of. Of course, not a perfect car for a family. Most people that come in with these cars are single or don't have kids. So this is it, guys. More issues, more oil leaks. Keep an eye on your Macan because they do get expensive. I believe Porsche charges somewhere around $9,000 to repair these oil leaks. This is why I make it a big deal. Is this going to be the end of the world? No. You can still own this car because if you had an Audi, you'd have oil leaks everywhere. So it'd be even worse. At least Porsche managed to have oil leaks just at the timing cover for now. As time goes by, we'll see. Also, the turbo lines do leak on these too as well sometimes. This is actually coming from the this one's not coming from the turbo line. It's coming from the timing cover. It's actually dripping down from the alternator, but I have seen the turbo lines leak. This car to service, it requires the whole front end disassembly. The whole bumper has to come off. A lot of labor involved. There's no clearance here, so when you get a bill for your belt change, don't be surprised that it's 6-7 hours because it's a lot of work to get in there. So you won't be saving money on a belt change, that's for sure. These little electronic louvers right here inside that are closed right now for saving fuel, like they say, I don't know, 0.0001 of a gallon. I don't know what they save, but not much. They're constantly breaking and causing it to stick open or stick closed, and that's a problem because you can overheat your engine in the summertime. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Our oil leaks is the biggest problem so far, and mechanical pumps being a second, and then of course they suffer from PCV failures. Basically would be the breathers at the top. The diaphragms break and they cause oil consumptions as well. There's a lot of other components that I can name, but it is definitely common for them to fail as well. So, but not as common as the oil leaks. I think oil leaks is the biggest problem we see so far with the Macans. They're much worse than I anticipated as far as how many I have seen so far. It seems like every other Macan I have seen, when we dropped the cover, this is what we found. And this is actually certified pre-owned vehicle. Customer just bought it like 10,000 miles ago. See, so don't think that you got a CPO that there's going to be no issues. Think again, because you will have issues. They're going to use that cover. That cover is going to be covering your engine. You will never know you have oil leaks until you pull the cover off and start inspecting, and you start noticing this, that. So this one's not as bad as I've seen them. This side is actually worse, but it will get worse as time progresses. So just to look out for you, if you're looking for one, check for this problem. You can probably knock off a lot of money just for these oil leaks because it requires a lot of work. But hope this video helps somebody. This is not to bash on the Macans. They're nice cars. They're not my favorite because I'm a Cayenne fan. I've had both. Cayenne is not even compared to this. Cayenne is so much better vehicle. And of course the right outfit. You know, you get a GTS or a Cayenne turbo model. Don't get the Cayenne V6. Those are trash. So just wanted to say that. But this is a fun car. This one actually has a Cobb access port tuner in here, so it's a lot of power it's pushing out. But pretty car though. So we'll see you guys next time.